And we have a serious issue if you're traveling right now in Levittown. A car fire has all lanes closed on the northbound side of the Wantagh Parkway. It's as you approach Old Country Road. We are seeing some standstill traffic, heavy delays back to the Southern State Parkway through the area. Cars have actually been turning around and exiting on the entrance ramp. We're not seeing it happening right now, but just take it easy if you're traveling here. Dangerous situation. Meadowbrook Parkway is a better ride through the area.